I'm here today to show you how you can enjoy online shopping. If you click on the online store, you will be greeted with several products that are available for you to purchase. From here, you do have the option to add this item to your basket, and you will be given a description at the top and an option to continue shopping. You can categorise these products by selecting popularity, average rating, latest, etc. You also have the option to filter by price, dependent on your price range. On the right hand side, you will see the different categories, and you will also have the option to select on sale items. If I was to select a product, I will be taken to the page with all of the details. You also have the option to change your currency. As you can see, I've selected US dollars, which will automatically change the pricing to suit your needs. I'm going to go ahead now and select a product. You will see a lovely picture, a nice description, any tags, where it's being sold, and the price. If you click on Buy Now, you will be taken to the screen and the website in which you will be able to purchase your desired product. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really do hope you enjoy shopping in the future with us.